How to edit your website animation on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to your dashboard on Wix, click on edit site, and it will take you to this page. Now after it take you to this page, all what you have to do is go here, click on design and click animation. Now after you click animation, you will have many options here. Choose any of these, for example fade, float. As you can see, the animations are so professional. You have the fly option, the fold, and many other, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.